We've walked the wrong way.
Just a bit more trespassing, Ollie. Failed one, isn't it, mate? So following on from last episode, we're back out again, aren't we, Ollie? Looking for some local trigs. And we're straight into this one today, and we're actually already on the trail. Or at least we hope. According to the map, it's somewhere sort of over here. Let's hope we've not walked by it again, like last time. Oh, let's have a look. We'll check the map, and we'll check back with you.
A few moments later.
We've walked the wrong way.
Yep.
The path is like denied.
We've walked the wrong way, or at least I think we have anyway. So let's retrace our steps back this way and see if we can find it. I wonder if there's ever going to be a time, Ollie, where we turn up to do one of these and we start walking in the right direction.
No, there's going to be one.
Sorry, what did you say?
I think there is going to be one.
Oh, no confidence then.
Guys, we're going to keep forgetting.
We are.
Oh, Dad,
So this is where we parked the van, and looks like we may have gone the wrong way. So let's have a look. Right, let's cross the road quickly. So yeah, we've parked the van there and we went down, down there, but we think it's actually on the opposite side. So somewhere sort of in this direction, but not sure. Looks like you can cut through there, Ollie. Do you want to see if we can get through here, mate? Come on. Do you reckon you can make it through there? You've got your hiking trousers on this time because you got a few nettles, didn't you, last time?
Yeah.
That's a bit of a drop there, mate.
I'll go. I'm fine.
Hang on. Let's
Oh,
go a bit further down.
What?
Right, go on then. Right, we're back at the start point, and we're just going to check in here because it's very confusing. Just a bit more trespassing, Ollie. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Good. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's got to be sort of around here. Oh, Ollie. What? We probably walked by that then, didn't we, earlier? We're such noobs. Right, go on then. Go and stand near it. Right, it's a bit overgrown, isn't it? I don't think we'll get that close to it. Come out of the way then, let me have a little look.
Really overgrown.
It is, isn't it?
There's a bee here.
There's a bee.
Yeah.
So this one, Ollie, is TP1994, and I think it's actually just called Carr, as in Carr Lane, which is, the road that it's on. So nice, that's one down.
Oh Dad, we didn't get this far because we only got to this bit, didn't we?
Maybe we didn't get this far then. Yeah, you might be
We
right.
only came up to here, didn't we?
Possibly, I mean I'll review it on the footage, but that's one down. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to have some dinner first again, or dinner when we get there?
Yeah, let's have some dinner first.
Dinner first,
Because
yeah?
I'm hungry. Are you?
I'm hungry as well. Go on then. What do you want?
Give me my beef noodles. This is going to be in every videos, by the way. This is going to be all in all the videos.
You're going to eat beef noodles every time we do a video?
Beef noodles!
Right, beef noodles it is. ready. Just pop it there for me first. Right, go on then. We've been camping this weekend, so it's a little bit cramped in here. I've not emptied everything out. Yeah, take a look at this. Got the blinds still in here, haven't we all?
Yep.
These have been great. I actually mentioned these in the camper video, you know, sort of deciding whether to get curtains or blinds, and in the end I ordered these from this place, and yeah, they've been perfect. And this is our cooking station. We tend to do, you know, most of the cooking outside as much as we can. It's nice having, you know, the hob and stuff inside here, but on nice days when we're camping, we just cook outside. Just waiting for the water to boil at me, mate.
Yep.
Dad's even gone with super noodles today, got curry flavour. You're currently... Oh! Go on, you wimp.
Come here.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's a goner. Can I help you?
You scared me. Gosh.
Fuck. Get your head in. No, we're on our way to the second one, aren't we, Ollie? And we've parked the car in a bit of a dodgy spot here. I'm not quite sure if it's private land or not, but we're only going to be 5 minutes, aren't we, mate?
Yep.
Right, let's see if we get lost on this one. Yeah, how far do you think this one is?
Pardon?
How far do you think this one is?
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, mate, I'm not very confident. It's looking a bit weird.
We've already walked by it.
You think we've already walked by it?
Yeah.
I hope not. Not again.
Dad, I found it.
He's lying. Have you actually, or are you lying? Oh, you little... Oh. I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
See if I can pinpoint it on the sort of... I don't know.
I am the trigger point. Well,
Yeah.
then you found
I think that's it, isn't it? All the way over there in the middle of that field.
Dad,
Yes,
well
mate?
done, you have found the trigger point.
Oh my god, it's there, look.
Come on.
So finally, we've found this one. So Ollie, this one is TP3226. I'm not quite sure what that says. Fordoles? I don't know. Yeah, so it is. We managed to find a way in, didn't we, mate? We followed the the tractor the tractor path. There's lines just in the field, so no damage done. Right, come and stand in front of it then.
This is going to be them.
Nice one. It's just a quick close-up of it.
So this is the last one was more overgrown.
It was, wasn't it? Cool. On to the next one.
No plants were harmed in the making of this video.
You heard it here first. Right, should we get back to the car and get the last one out of the way? Let's go. So we think we found it, haven't we, Ollie? I think we drove by it back there, just on the main road, but there's just nowhere to park. So we've sort of dumped it here. I'll show you when we get out, and we'll have a little walk and see if we can get close to it. Yeah? Let's go. So we're just on our way, haven't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
And what I didn't tell you is, I'd actually looked at the pictures of this one before we came, and are you ready for this? It's up there, look, that, and it's blue, and it looks like it's in some sort of enclosure, so let's see how far we can get towards it. So yeah, this one looks like it's got its own enclosure, and
we can't see it.
no, we can. Let's go down here, see if we can sneak down here.
Dad, we could have just gone. That's okay, I'll just go this way.
Okay.
Now just go this way.
Right, come on, let's make our way through here.
For whatever trigs we do, local trigs will be trespassing for local trigs. Then, yeah.
Right, we're deep into
Yeah.
the nettles now, mate.
Yeah. So now we're just in nettles. Stung.
Oh my god.
Oh, I've not got stung once. What?
This is
Have you got stung?
no, it's a bit crazy. Ow, I did get stung then. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to get in, mate.
Oh.
Right, let's have a little look around, and then we'll go from there. It's just there, look. You can see it in the distance, but yeah, I think this one's a bit of a failed one, isn't it, mate? Well, not failed because it's sort of there, but yeah, we found it, didn't we? We just can't get access to it. Yeah, let's have a little look back round here, mate, and if not, I think we'll have to call it a day. I think this one's going to be a failed one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, if I was on my own, I probably would have climbed up, took the picture, but I think because you're here, it's probably not wise. It's like this path's actually a lot busier than I thought. We've seen only 4 or 5 people since we've been here.
65.
So yeah, I think
45.
I think we'll have to call it there. I don't know what to say about that one, mate. Bit of a weird one, that last one, wasn't it? What are you doing? Why are you making that face? Yeah, what was your idea?
We could fit through that gap.
There is a gap, isn't there? But why did we not go through it? Stop making that face, it's weird.
Because
There were just a lot of people, weren't they? So what did you suggest that we do?
we come at night,
Come back, don't we? Maybe not night, maybe, you know.
midnight.
That's still night.
3 a.m.
3 a.m.
3 a.m.
We're not staying up until 3 a.m.
No, sleep until 3 a.m.
Yeah, we're thinking about coming back when the sun's setting, aren't we? When there's not many people there, and we might try and get in there, but a bit of a crappy last one, that wasn't it? And we didn't really end it very well, so yeah. Any final thoughts? Anything you want to say?
No.
No? We all good?
Yeah.
Shall we catch them in the next one?
Yes, and like and subscribe. No.
You're a nut job.